I'm reading a news article from the Hindustan Times. It says Supreme Court asks Centre states why cow vigilantes should not be banned. Gau Rakshaks. The next date for hearing is May 3rd. So if you're in New Delhi and if you feel strongly about this subject or wherever you are in this country, you can probably witness this unfolding on May 3rd, on which date court has sought response from Uttar Pradesh government, Maharashtra government, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. The newspaper mentions all are BJP ruled, as well as Congress run Karnataka, and also asked Government of India to file, the centre to file its response. Incidents of Gau Rakshaks taking law into their own hands and beating up, and in one instance even causing the death of somebody in the garb of protecting cows, has come up and is being reported widely across the country. The Supreme Court, out of concern, probably has asked the state governments for a reply. I'd like you to note here that the Prime Minister has himself spoken on this on at least 2 different occasions and come down heavily and condemned these violent acts of Gau Rakshaks, and what he has had to say on those occasions, you can go and search on Google, you will be able to see yourself. Very recently, a very prominent organization in India, through its chief, spoke against Gau Raksha, and this prominent organization carries a lot of weight with BJP governments all around the country, and the leader of this organization himself came out and said that while he believes in protecting cows, he clearly condemns violence in the name of Gau Raksha. Cow slaughter falls under a state subject. Different states can make different laws. The states where a particular party is in power that is in favor of banning cow slaughter will make those laws. Unfortunately, there are other states where there are other parties in power which will never make such a law. Therefore, India has to come up with a solution very, very quickly. So while in Kerala, it is okay to slaughter cows, it is not okay to slaughter cows in Rajasthan. What happens if there are adjoining states where in one state it is okay to slaughter the cows and the adjoining state it is not okay to slaughter the cows, and there are people of religious followings in both the states? Therefore, I think people should now look up to the Supreme Court to come up with a solution and probably bring about a law which brings about peace and prosperity in the country. It's a tough ask, but all eyes now on Supreme Court. I conclude today by saying that May 3rd is an occasion where a lot of NGOs with interest in this subject can probably witness what is happening here. If you feel strongly about this subject, there is room for you to add yourself to this petition if the Honorable Supreme Court allows that, and express your views here. And keep watching this video. I shall try and bring about more such news to make you alert, make you vigilant about your rights. Thank you. Bye-bye.